AI is changing the world of work faster than anything in living memory, and it is completely natural to feel uncertain about what it means for your job and your income. So let me be honest with you. AI is not simply replacing people. It is replacing people who do not adapt, while massively rewarding those who do. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to be on the right side of that line. There is a lot of fear around AI and jobs, and some of it is understandable. But fear is a terrible strategy. The people who panic, freeze, or bury their heads in the sand are the ones who get left behind. The people who calmly understand what is happening and adapt are the ones who not only stay secure, but find enormous new opportunity. Every major technological shift in history has followed the same pattern. It disrupts, yes, but it also creates more opportunity than it destroys for those who move with it rather than against it. The same is true of AI. In this video, I will give you the honest, practical roadmap to future-proof your career. The skills to build, the mindset to adopt, and the steps to make yourself more valuable, not less. Let us get into it. Welcome back to wealthai, where UK personal finance meets AI tools to help you build real wealth. If you are on YouTube, subscribe. If you are on Rumble, please follow the channel. It genuinely helps us grow. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Let me give you the honest breakdown. AI is genuinely good at, and increasingly takes over, work that is generic, repetitive, rules-based, and predictable. Routine data processing, basic content production, simple analysis, standard administrative tasks. If your work is largely made up of these, it is exposed, and pretending otherwise helps no one. But AI is far weaker at, and unlikely to replace, work that requires genuine human judgment, creativity, emotional intelligence, complex problem-solving, building trust and relationships, and navigating ambiguity. A machine can draft a document, but it struggles to understand the unspoken needs of a client, to make a wise decision under uncertainty, or to inspire and lead people. The key to future-proofing is to move your value toward what AI cannot do and away from what it can. Certain skills become more valuable, not less, as AI advances. Judgment, knowing what is worth doing and whether something is good. Creativity, generating original ideas and approaches. People skills, communication, empathy, leadership, building relationships and trust. Complex problem solving, handling messy, ambiguous situations that do not fit a template. And critically, AI fluency itself. The ability to use AI tools skillfully is rapidly becoming one of the most valuable skills in any field. The person who deeply understands their industry and can also direct AI to amplify their work becomes extraordinarily productive and valuable. These are the skills to invest in. Notice that most of them are deeply human, which is reassuring. Your humanity, properly developed, is your greatest career asset in the age of AI. Here is the single most important move. There is a saying capturing this moment perfectly: AI will not take your job, but a person using AI might. So become that person. Make yourself the one in your workplace or field who understands and uses AI tools better than anyone else. Start now. Use AI in your daily work. Learn what it can do for your specific role. Become the colleague who knows how to get more done with AI, who can teach others, who brings AI-driven efficiency and ideas to the team. This transforms you from someone threatened by AI into someone made more valuable by it. The tools are free to start. Claude is linked in the description. The gap between people who use AI well and those who do not is becoming one of the biggest dividers of career success. Be firmly on the right side of it. Beyond your main job, future-proofing means building income and skills that AI strengthens rather than threatens. The AI-powered income methods we have covered throughout this channel, services, content, digital products, automation, are exactly this. They turn AI from a threat into your most powerful tool. Building a second income stream that uses AI gives you security and options no single employer can take away. If your industry shifts, you have skills and income that travel with you. The freelancer who masters AI tools. The creator who uses AI to build an audience. The consultant who delivers more through AI. These people are not threatened by the shift, they are powered by it. Diversify your income. Build AI-enhanced skills, and you make yourself resilient to whatever changes come. Finally, the mindset, because it underpins everything. See AI not as an enemy to fear, but as a tool to master, the most powerful tool of your lifetime. Stay curious, keep learning, treat change as opportunity rather than threat. The people who thrive through technological shifts are not the most talented or the most qualified. They are the most adaptable. Commit to being a lifelong learner who adapts as the world changes, rather than someone who hopes things stay the same. That single mindset, adaptability over rigidity, curiosity over fear, is what keeps you ahead not just of AI, but of every change that comes after it. The future belongs to those who embrace it and shape it, not those who resist it. So that is how to future-proof your career against AI. Move your value toward what AI cannot do. Build the durable human skills plus AI fluency. Become the person who uses AI better than anyone. Build income that AI strengthens, and adopt the mindset of an adaptable, lifelong learner. Do this, and AI becomes your greatest opportunity rather than your biggest threat. Your action this week. Start using AI in your daily work, even in a small way. Open Claude, apply it to one real task from your job, and begin building your AI fluency today. It is free and linked below. The earlier you start, the further ahead you get. Hit the like button if this gave you clarity and confidence. Subscribe on YouTube, follow on Rumble. We have built something special on this channel, and there is so much more to come. Broader topics, deeper guides, and the best of UK finance and AI every single week. Drop a comment below. What is one way you are going to start using AI to stay ahead? I read every single one. I am Wealth AI. AI will not take your job, but a person using AI might, so become that person. And this is just the beginning.